Minasan, konnichiwa. Watashi wa Denis desu. Santa Angela koko 11 nensei desu. Kyou wa maximum income ni tsuite hanishimasu. Hajimashou.
My Name is Angela Rahayu Pangastuti. Ich komme aus Bandung. Ich wohne in Awiligar. Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. Ich bin in der Klasse Sozial 2 Nummer 2.
Ni hao, 我叫 Maria Frederica Laurina. 我在这里 IPS 2班学习。我要讲一个项目 IPS 班的项目。Indonesia is a country that is rich in natural resources. One of them is marine resources. In Indonesia, marine resources are very diverse. For example, such as salt, pearls, fish, shrimp, and seaweed. From some of the marine resources that I mentioned, I look for how many marine resources are in our country. I took one example of seaweed. In Indonesia, seaweed cultivation are spread everywhere, and this is what we found.
Namely, a restaurant made from seaweed. The main menu that we make is seaweed fried rice. Before we make a restaurant, we must first determine the 5 commodities from the seaweed fried rice menu. The 5 commodities are rice, oil, shallots, beef, and seaweed. After that, we look for the index price in a period of 1 year, 2017 and 2018, to see if there is inflation or deflation in the commodity. So, here are the price for 5 commodity in 1 year.
After that, we might like an example. How if our restaurant sell fried seaweed with a different type? Type 1 need 250 grams of rice and 30 grams of seaweed, which cost 2,498 rupiah. And type 2 need 500 grams of rice and 10 grams of seaweed, which cost 4,996 rupiah. But we only have 100 kilograms rice stock and 3 kilograms seaweed stock. So how much maximum income that we can get? First of all, we must analyze the example so we can get the mathematical language from that. With substitutions all linking points that we got before to optimum functions. Here's the calculate. From that, we can see that the highest results of the optimum functions are this. So, the maximum income that we could get is this.
So that we know our company's profit. Then we calculate the total expenses of our company. The next step is we choose 3 burdens that must be sacrificed by our company. We choose salary load, electricity, water, telephone load, and equipment load. We determine the price of those loads so that when we add those 3, the total is the same with the total burdens. To make it clear, we make a report in a form like this. Das war alles, was ich zum Thema zu sagen hatte. Vielen Dank für das Zuhören. Auf Wiedersehen.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
谢谢大家，再见。